What's the meaning of city editor? City editor. City editor.
City editor. City editor. A city editor is a senior position in a newspaper or media organization responsible for overseeing the coverage of news related to a specific city or region. They are in charge of managing a team of reporters and ensuring that the news stories are accurate, timely, and relevant to the local readership. City editors also play a critical role in shaping the editorial direction of the publication and helping to maintain its reputation for quality journalism. Overall, their goal is to provide readers with comprehensive and engaging coverage of the city or region they serve.